Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Cracko298. Today we're going over a little script, a Python script that I have made for a Roblox game. Now, this Roblox game, I played the first version of the game way back in like 2016 when it first came out, right? And it was good, but you could grind, people are AFK or whatever. I wanted to bring that back, right? And so I developed an AFK tool for Sharkbite 2, which is on Roblox. Now we'll go into on how to download it, how to install everything exactly. So what you first want to do is just type in, I believe it's called, let me move this over here. It's called Sharkbite 2, right? And then we're just going to go ahead and we're going to do Farmer. We're just going to type in Farmer into your preferred browser of choice. Now, my thing is normally like right here, okay? Now, I've actually released this when the game first released back in, I think, November or October. A lot of people do not know that this actually works, but I'm here to show y'all, hey, my software actually works, all that. No viruses, nothing. It's open source. You can look at the code if you would really want to make your own version. I don't care. Make pull requests, whatever. So we're going to go over to my github.com account, and we're just going to go to the Sharkbite 2 Farmer. This is the page that you'll probably see. Now you can see farm teeth because I'm way too lazy, and the developer did add an AFK detection algorithm, which will be like make you not play the game at all, even though you have an auto clicker or something like that. And most smart ones won't even do that. And so this is fully open source, written in Python for y'all. Now, if you guys want to do whatever, that's fine by me. But here. So first, what we're gonna do is you would download version 3. Okay. Now it's gonna come up as this little thing, and so we're just gonna open this, and we're gonna go to our downloads, and we're gonna extract all. After we extract all, now you guys probably will not have the required modules installed in Python. If you guys don't have Python installed, you just go to Python, right? And you go to the download, and you download it from here. Now, I'm just going to do this right now to show you all what to expect. So you would just, you know what? Let's uninstall it because that would be really good actually. And then I can go ahead and I can reinstall it, and then I can go along with y'all. So this might take a little bit of time for me to uninstall it, so I'll get back to you when it's done. Alright, this is awesome. So now it says that Python was successfully uninstalled. So we're going to close that. And then we're going to open up the application again. We're going to add python.exe to path. What this will do is it'll allow us to use pip in our command prompts. If you don't enable this, you have to go through a bunch of registry edits and command prompt windows, which you probably won't want to do if you're not familiar with coding or Python in general. So we're going to install now. You will need administrator privileges to install Python. Again, this is free and open source, I believe Python is, and also has a lot of documentation if you want to make your own scripts. And so it's installing now. It really doesn't take too long to install anything. Alright, so you just gotta wait. It depends on how fast your computer is, how fast your hard drive is, etc. So now that it's successful, we're going to go down. And we're just going to go to Windows PowerShell, okay? So Windows PowerShell, it's required, or command prompt. Now, you do not need administrator, I believe, for this. And so we are going to separate these two right here, these two windows. So we're just going to go right there. All right. And so now we need the keyboard module. So what you will want to do first is type in pip install and then keyboard. Now you want to do this, and it'll install all the packages that you need. Then we're going to just do pip install and then py auto GUI. Awesome. We're going to do pip. Now you guys don't have to do this, but if you want to make AI and stuff like that, or anything really. Yeah, if you want to install Python, do AI or whatever, you will need NumPy. Now this also has a thing. I believe it already comes with Python 1 or 3.11. So there's that. So now we're gonna do pip install. Okay. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do pillow. Pillow's already installed, I believe. Yes. Then we're going to do pip install anaconda. Now, what does anaconda do? It basically is a thing for that, then, or Windows, whatever. And so now we're going to do pip install opencv-python. So opencv-python is a, I believe it's a repository that you actually need. Now, what this will do is it'll, as you can see, my download speed's a lot faster, probably the most of yours, just connected by Ethernet. So we're also going to install the py direct input. Now, what is direct input? This will allow clicking and moving in most games. Now, as you can see, it's already installed, so this is awesome sauce already. So now that you're over here and you're done, you will go over to your Roblox account. Now, this is not my main Roblox account anyway, but we're just going to go over and I'm just going to go to Sharkbite just to show y'all. Then we're going to go ahead, play this, and we're going to start up our script. Now, this thing right here is our script folder. You can do any view, it really doesn't matter. But the AFK tool, I'm going to do good quality. So the AFK tool will stop the game from detecting that you're AFK by clicking all around the screen. Yeah, really. That's all it does, is it clicks the button. And also it has a few more features like this. I'm going to go ahead and show you that right now. So it's going to start up right now. As you can see, it says created by Cracko298. Again, this is open source. You can look at the code. It's not some sketchy piece of crap, all right? And so now we're just going to click the enter button, and it will claim, and I believe it will also close if I'm not sure. Yep. All right. And so just to show that it works, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to do this. Now, it'll look for that X, and I'll click it. The reason it jitters a little bit is that because py direct input needs it from py auto GUI. They don't have the same modules, so it needs to be split up and moved. And so then, what do you call it? Py direct input can actually click, because py auto GUI doesn't use DirectX clicking, which is what Roblox is based off of. And so I will go ahead and I will get right back to y'all after I go ahead and I'm in a game. I also forgot to mention, whenever you are caught being AFK, let's say the tool doesn't actually do what it's supposed to, it is a software bug. It shouldn't be doing it, but it does anyway. So what we are going to do is we're just going to emulate the screen. Now, as you can see, just click that. And it jerked a little bit, like I said it would. And because of that, yeah, like I explained, you're AFK or whatever, the game will spawn you back with the spectate thing. And you don't want that. Like, let's say if you're going ahead and you're playing, you're away from the house or something like that, that's what it'll do. It'll go ahead and it'll click that, so then you can still get shark's teeth instead of being paid, well, nothing at all. Alrighty, so here we go. This is going to be the first demonstration of this script in action. We just have to be AFK for a few minutes. I'm going to say silent and all that, but you guys are going to be able to see what happens after I speed things up. Hopefully, or not, I don't know. Or, you know, it could just be defeated. That's okay with me, though, I guess. Let me go ahead and wait till everything gets sorted out. But this does, in fact, work. It'll click the AFK thing. If you guys like this video, make sure to like it. If you don't, well, then don't. I'll see you all in my next video, hopefully. Bye-bye.